So now we're going to be looking at the double story pro kit that window washing sells. This consists of a 35 centimeter washer, a plastic T-bar with a 35 centimeter lamb's wool sleeve, a 35 centimeter stainless steel squeegee, and this also includes the replaceable rubber that comes with a squeegee, and a 15-liter bucket. This bucket is a window cleaning bucket specifically designed so that you can dip the washer into the bucket. This kit also consists of the 6-meter telepole that at the moment it's closed to 2 meters. So, and obviously it opens up to 6 meters. So it's 3 sections of 2 meters long. All our poles at window washing are designed to be a friction fit. And so what that means is that you can take your washer or your squeegee, fit it over the end of the pole, and there's enough friction there to allow the washer and the squeegee to stay on the cone without coming off. This is really useful when you're cleaning windows that are in the sun. Instead of sort of screwing off the washer or the squeegee, you're then able to just put the washer on, soap down the glass, quickly whip the washer off, put the squeegee on, and there's enough friction there to hold it on. So this is a very useful feature of these poles. So that is our double story pro kit that window washing sells.